Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Welcome to social class, Standard 7th, Civics, Unit 3, Road Safety. That lesson, very important one, children, because nowadays lot of accident in our country. So, the road safety is very important one. Okay, let us discuss the topic. The revolutionary invention of the wheel has given rise to modern technologies from transport to machinery. It is one of the most fundamental inventions we use in our daily life. Invention of wheel may be a mystery, but the history of vehicles proves the intelligence of man. Can you imagine a world without two-wheelers, three-wheelers and four-wheelers? Road safety. We have to travel via roads almost every day to go to school, college, office, shop, visit relatives and friends. We need to be safe on the roads. Road safety refers to the methods and measures used to prevent road users from being killed or seriously injured. Need for safety on roads. It is a saddening fact that India is the world's largest contributor to road accident. India accounts for about 10% of road accident fatalities at worldwide. Road crashes have a threatening impact on Indian lives, growth and economy. Causes for road accident. Distracted driving. This is a large threat and leading causes for road accident. It is the distractions of the driver engaging in any other activity while driving. It may be taking over the mobile phone or texting message or engaging in any activities with attention diverted from driving. Reckless driving. It is a major traffic violation of rules. It is defined as a mental state in which the driver purposely disregards the rules of the road. Night driving. An extra alertness is needed while driving at night. The uncontrolled sleep tiredness due to the long drive, poor lighting on the road can cause fatal accident. Tailgating. Tailgating refers to condition where a driver drives behind another vehicle without leaving sufficient distance between them. In this condition, if the vehicle in front of him stops suddenly, his own vehicle will crash with it. Heavy traffic. Increase of vehicles on the road create heavy traffic jam and cause more pollution. Road condition. Road expansion is very slow when compared to the expansion of vehicles. Avoidance of safety gears. Avoiding the use of helmets for two-wheelers and seat belt for four-wheelers lead to unwanted happenings. Impatience of pedestrians. Impatience of pedestrians and violation of traffic rules result in accidents. Other causes: drunken driving, jumping red light over, speeding and unmanned railway crossing cause great damage to valuable lives. Due to this, many families lost the breadwinners. Road safety rules. Every country has its own road safety rules and regulations for the best interest of its citizens. India also has designed road safety rules for protecting the road users from meeting with accident and injury. As per the Indian law, one should be eligible to get driving license at the age of 18, while driving use of mobile phone is prohibited. Sound horn is prohibited near a hospital or school zone. Next, Next, discuss the topic golden rules for road safety. 10 golden rules for road safety. Stop or slow down, buckle up, obey traffic rules and sign, obey speed limits, keep vehicle fit, never use mobile while driving, wear helmet, never drive dangerously, be courteous, never mix drinking and driving. First, stop or slow down. Allow pedestrian to cross first at uncontrolled zebra crossing. They have the right to obey the rule. 11. Buckle up so that your family and you all sit in the car. The section 138.3 is the seat belt reduce chances of death of care occupation in accident by over 60%. Next, obey trafficking rules and sign to prevent road accidents. Section 119Q. Next, obey speed limit for your own safety and that other. The section 112 and Q. In the residential area and marketplaces, that ideal speed is 20 km and the limit is 30 km/h. Keep vehicle fit to prevent frequent breakdown and difficult in controlling vehicle which may lead to accident on road. Section 190 squared. Never use mobile while driving to avoid distance that lead to accident. Section 184Q. Wear helmet to protect your head while riding a two-wheeler. Section 129(2). A good quality helmet reduces chance of severe head injury by over 70%. Next, never drive dangerously to ensure your own safety and that of other road users. Section 184(3). Be courteous. Share the road with all and be considerate. Never range on the road. It is dangerous for your and other road users. Next, never mix drinking and driving. Be responsible. Don't drink and drive. Section 185Q.